अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में जनरल साइंस क्लास 8 की चैप्टर नंबर 1 ह्यूमन ऑर्गन सिस्टम की MCQs करते हैं। दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखना, लास्ट में आपको इन सब चीज़ों का डिफिनीशन भी मिल जाएंगे। दोस्तों शुरू करने से पहले आप सबसे एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलते हैं MCQs की तरफ। चैप्टर नंबर 1 ह्यूमन ऑर्गन सिस्टम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, sensory neuron carry message to world, muscles and glands, sense organs, brain and spinal cord. The correct one is sense organs. Question number 2, the part of neuron which receive message are cell bodies, dendrites, axon, nuclei. The correct one is dendrites. Question number 3, accumulation of salts in kidney result in diabetes, hypertension, kidney stone, cancer. The correct one is kidney stones. Question number 4, medium sized stone are removed by dialysis, lithotripsy, excretion, laser. The correct one is lithotripsy. Question number 5, renal failure can be caused by infection, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, all of these. The correct one is all of these. Question number 6, human brain is divided into parts. 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 6 parts. The correct one is 3 parts. Question number 7, filtering of blood takes place in the heart, kidney, arteries, vessels. The correct one is kidney. Question number 8, cleaning of blood by artificial method is called laser, dialysis, hypertension, lithotripsy. The correct one is dialysis. Question number 9, reflex action or responses, manual, automatic. The correct one is automatic. Question number 10, the action which are performed under conscious control are called body action, involuntary action. The correct one is involuntary action. Key points, chapter number 1, the nervous system carries message from one part of the body to another parts. The brain and spinal cord are collectively called central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of a network of nerves which connect the central nervous system to all the body. Neurons are functional and structural unit of the nervous system. Sensory neurons carry message from sense organ to the central nervous system. Motor neurons carry message from central nervous system to muscles and glands. Interneurons are present in brain and spinal cord. They form a link between sensory neurons and motor neurons. The action performed under conscious control are called voluntary action. The action performed without involvement of thinking process are called involuntary action. The system that eliminates waste material from body is called the excretory system. Nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidney. Each kidney is divided into 3 regions: renal cortex, renal medulla, and renal pelvis. The brain of an adult human weighs between 1300 to 1400 grams. The brain of cat weighs about 30 gram and dog about 70 gram. The brain of an elephant is about 6000 gram. The brain of an adult man consists of about 1 trillion neurons. Impulses may travel as fast as 150 meter per second or as slow as 0.2 meter per second. People blink about 15 times per minute during 16 hours. When you are awake, you blink approximately 14,400